Hey guys, so today I have baby back ribs, loaded fries, and it's like some slaw. But this is from Big Whiskey's located in Hoover, Alabama. And I also had it's like a fishbowl drink. As you notice, I done drunk majority of it. But we're gonna see what this tastes like. I have always wanted to try this restaurant. I have seen it on TikTok and just on different on Instagram. I have always wanted to try it. So this is the fries. Good. Everything came out hot and fresh. Let's look at this. Some people like blue cheese, but I prefer ranch dressing with my stuff. Blue cheese is nasty. You guys can let me know what you prefer in the comments. Blue cheese or ranch. This is so good. Also, when we first came, I noticed it was a wait. It looked like it might have been an hour wait. But we were seated right when we got here. So I call that having favor. Everything is fresh. I love some ribs. It's so good and tender. Right now I'm seated on the outdoor patio. As you can see, it's getting dark. But this area over here, I don't know what it's called, but it's located on Periado Place. And there's a lot of different restaurants and ice cream spots. Oh, so good. Yummy. It's so good. Their menu has a lot of different selections. So far, I give this place a 10 out of 10. Our waitress was very friendly. She was nice and reassuring. She told us that, she kept coming back to let us know that the food was going to come out. And I didn't get mad because of how she handled it. Now, had we not heard anything or had not been told, then it's going to be a different story. It's so good. So if you guys are ever in the Hoover, Alabama area, make sure you try Big Whiskey's. It's good. You can go to their Instagram page, go to Google, and look them up. So guys, I'm going to finish eating my ribs and enjoy them. Now I will catch you guys later on Adventures and Good Eats with Candy. I love you all. Bye.